How to log in Barclays online banking account. If you're trying to access your Barclays online banking account, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to log into your Barclays online banking account. So let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and go to the official Barclays website at www.barclays.co.uk. Make sure you are on the correct site to keep your account safe. Now, once you've done that, you'll see the login button on the top right corner of the screen. Click that button to log in process to begin it. On the next screen, you'll need to enter your username or your membership number. Simply enter your last name and your membership number, and simply, if you have forgotten it, you can simply tap on don't know your membership number. Also, you can simply log in via your card number or sort code and account number as well. After you've entered it, simply tap on continue, and once you've successfully done that, you'll be directed to your Barclays online banking dashboard. There you can check your account balance, view transactions, make payments, and more. And that's it. Now you know how to log into Barclays online